Good day, my name is Marylou Edwards of Diversified Mortgage Group. Today I'd like to speak to you about what we call the debt-to-income ratio. Your debt-to-income ratio is really important when qualifying for a home loan because underwriters look at three basic things. Your credit report, your down payment or your equity if you're refinancing, and your debt-to-income ratio to qualify. Now, to explain to you what debt-to-income ratio means, it is just your debt divided by your income. And then we get a ratio, and that percentage should never be over 45% on a conventional loan or 50% on an FHA loan. So if you think about it, the underwriting guidelines are not as stringent as they used to be, where the maximum back then was 28%. So now it's not as hard to qualify. But let me give you an example of how this all works. My example is $48,000 a year salaried income. That means he or she makes $4,000 a month gross monthly income. Gross means any income that you get before they start taking out for taxes. So that's how much they usually tell you when you get a job, that your salary is this much. Now let's say, for example, your mortgage payment is PITI, which is principal, interest, tax, and insurance. And if you have PMI, you have to add that in. PMI is private mortgage insurance. And if you don't have 20% down, you're required to pay PMI. For example, your payment is $1,200 a month. So now you divide $1,200 PITI divided by $4,000, which is your income, and that brings you to 30%. That's called your front-end ratio. Now there's also a back-end ratio, and that is including all installment payments, such as car payments, student loans, any kind of payments that's showing up on your credit report, or if maybe you're making monthly payments on a tax lien or something like that. Now let's say, for example, in this example, it's $500 a month. That puts you at $1,700 because you add your $1,200 PITI, and then you add $500, that's $1,700. And then you divide that into $4,000 and you have a 42.5% back-end ratio. Now this seems like a loan that would qualify, you know, so if you have any questions, make sure that you always get a pre-approval prior to submitting your loan or your offer, and we'll make sure that you're qualified. If you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Marylou Edwards, 925-285-5333, or check out my website at www.marylouedwards.com. Thank you.